Alright, so if you've been editing videos or doing music production or any sort of audio sensitive work, you know how important a good quality pair of headphones is. And whenever you talk about high quality audio, you know it's going to be expensive. But what if I told you, you could get studio quality monitoring headphones for editing, music production, and all sorts of audio sensitive work, and even a little bit of gaming surprisingly, for under $30 or 2,200 rupees in India. And in this video, we're going to be checking out one such product. This is the OneOdio Pro 10 headphones, and this is meant for video editors, beginners at music production, and even DJs. And as I said, you can also do a little bit of gaming. So in this video, let's unbox them, and I'll give you guys my full review from the design and build quality to the comfort, and most importantly, the sound quality of these headphones and why you should be buying them. So with that being said, let's get started. Starting off with the unboxing, this is the box of the OneOdio Pro 10 headphones. First things first, you get the Pro 10 headphones itself in the box. Then you get the case, the carrying case, which is really nice quality and can be used to store the headphones, and also you can put them in when you're traveling and keeps your headphone well protected. Then you get two sets of cables. One cable, the first one is going to have a 3.5 mm, also a 6.3 mm jack on the other end. This is meant for DJs and stuff like that. And this is a coiled cable, so when it's normal it's 2 meters, but when you stretch it out it's up to 3 meters. And then you also have another cable which is 1.2 meters, and that's going to be again 3.5 to 3.5 mm, but this time you have a pinhole microphone and also a button to take and end calls. So yes, a mic is also included, and I will be doing a microphone test later on in this video, so stay tuned for that. And apart from that, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. And you have your manual and also a gift card sort of thingy, where if you give this headphone 5-star review on Amazon, they'll give you 50 rupees back. I don't really like it, but I know the headphones sound good, so I'm not really going to complain anything. But yeah, that's the unboxing experience. Now talking about the headphones itself, these are a pretty good looking pair of headphones. Again, they might seem big, but they're not that big. And they're very flexible and really versatile. So starting off with the design and build quality, most of the headphone is made out of plastic. Like majority of the headphone is made out of plastic, but it's good quality plastic, and you have some chrome accents here and there. But the headband itself, at least this portion here, is made out of metal. So again, the parts that are going to be moving, that are going to be used the most, is made out of metal. So I can say that the build quality is decent, and again, it can be improved. Of course, if you use more metal, the headphone will become more premium and more sturdy. But for the price of $30 to $40, and that is what they retail for usually, I think this build quality is good enough. And they're very versatile, as I said, so you can fold them up like this, and they take very less space inside a bag or something like that. And they're very versatile and just adjustable in general. So again, of course, the headband stretches out, but the whole ear cup can be swiveled 180 degrees. So I really like this. And they also swivel this way. So let's say you keep them on like this, if you're a DJ or something like that, that is also very comfortable. And again, the ear cups are pretty decent sized. Now they are over the ear headphones, but again, the ear cup size should have been a little bit bigger, but we'll talk about that in the comfort section. But again, you have the left and right markings right here. And doing a quick little overview, the only things you have on the headphone are the two headphone jacks. One is going to be the 6.3 mm jack, and another one is the 3.5 mm jack. So that's the design and build quality. Again, they are available in a bunch of colors, and you can click on the link in the description down below to check out which color you like the most. But again, the design is pretty decent. They're not very gamery looking. They're very standard looking headphones for a pair of studio monitors or DJ headphones. So they won't look very odd, and you can rock them outside. So that's that. There's no creaking. There's nothing moving. The build quality seems pretty decent to me. There's a lot of flexibility here in the headband as well as in the ear cups as well. And yeah, that's the design and build quality. Talking about the comfort of these headphones, I think that's going to be the only part that I didn't like the most. I mean, they're not bad, they're not uncomfortable, but they have decent amount of clamping force. It's not too high, but I wish that the headphones maybe extended a little bit more, and also the ear cups were a little bit bigger. Now this company, OneOdio, they do have a bunch of other headphones that are like proper over the ear with oval shaped ear cups, but again, this particular pair, I think they should have stretched a little bit more and maybe had a bigger, ear cup size. Again, they're pretty comfortable, like for wearing, for a few hours, but you might feel a little bit of ear sweat or ear heating, or maybe some fatigue after a long extended, session of editing or whatever that is you want to do on your computer, maybe watching movies, playing games. And they also, pass the glasses test. They are pretty comfortable with the glasses as well. So again, if you're wearing glasses and you want to use the headphones, that's pretty much, okay with that. And again, the only complaint I would have is maybe they could have stretched a little bit more and the ear cup size was a little bit bigger. But apart from that, they're pretty comfortable. And if I were to give them a rating, I'd give them a 3.5 out of 5 for comfort. But apart from that, coming to the sound quality of this headphone, the OneOdio Pro 10 headphone have a 50mm neodymium driver. Now that is a pretty good driver for this price. If you've heard about neodymium drivers, you know they sound pretty good. And it also has a 20 Hz to 20 kHz, frequency response and 32 ohms of impedance. And if you drive them with the right kind of power, if you plug them into the right kind of audio jack, you'll get really good audio quality. And it's a very balanced pair of headphones. The sound stage is not very wide, it's pretty close to your ear because they are again closed back headphones. But they're very flat and neutral sounding. There's no added color to the sound. Like the bass is there, all the frequencies are very balanced, the lows, the mids and the highs. You can hear the vocals really clearly, as well as you can hear everything that's happening in your audio. You can hear the smallest of instruments, and the instrument separation, the stereo separation on these headphones is really good. They get loud, and I really like that the sound is not colored. There is bass, like if you like bass, it's there, but it's not ear thumping, overpowering bass, because while you're editing or recording voiceovers and basically monitoring work, you need a headphone that has flat sound, neutral sound. You want to hear what you recorded, you want to hear what the microphone recorded, and this headphone can do that at a really affordable price. So again, the sound quality is really flat and really clear. Even at the highest volumes, there is no distortion, and these headphones come really close to the more expensive pair of headphones that I've tried. Probably the Audio-Technicas, the Sennheisers, the AKGs of the world. These are pretty close, and for a fraction of the price, I think this is a really good deal in terms of sound quality. And in my testing, I personally use these headphones for video editing for extended periods of time, and I also tried gaming on it, and they're surprisingly really good for gaming as well. Now they're not dedicated gaming headphones, but the stereo separation, the surround sound is pretty good. Like you can make out where the footsteps are coming from, and of course I use them for just normal music listening and watching movies and videos and stuff on YouTube and Twitch. And they do really well. They're a very versatile pair of headphones, and they're pretty all-round for all sorts of working scenarios. And in gaming as well as video editing and just normal use, they perform really well. And also talking about the microphone that is included in the box, here's the audio test. Alright, so this is how the microphone on the OneOdio Pro 10 headphone sounds. And although this is not a headphone for gaming, at least the company is not advertising it as one, the microphone quality is surprisingly very good for gaming, especially smartphone gaming. And of course you can use it on PC and laptop. Although it's not in the best, most convenient spot, it's not like a boom mic, the quality is really good, and it is also useful for Zoom calls, online classes, Discord calls and stuff like that. It handles background noise really well. There's very less background noise, and also it has a bass heavy profile. It has bass on your voice. It automatically just adds it, so it makes your voice sound more attractive, and that's a really good feature in my opinion. And I definitely give a thumbs up to the microphone quality on the OneOdio Pro 10 headphones. Alright, so the design and build quality is good, the comfort is there, the audio quality of course is good, and the microphone surprisingly sounds good for things that you would want to do, even gaming. So overall, these pair of headphones, the OneOdio Pro 10 for $40 or 2,200 rupees in India, I think this is a really good pair of headphones. It's a steal deal in my opinion. And they also have a bunch of other headphones if you want something more expensive or something more cheaper. If you want something dedicated for gaming, and they also sell wireless pair of headphones. And I'll drop links to their website as well as some Amazon links so you guys can check their whole range of headphones out. But to me, the OneOdio Pro 10 headphones, for the price they sell at, are a really good deal, really good value for money. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions about this pair of headphones in the comments down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If this video was helpful, go ahead and smash the like button, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But with that being said, my name has been Yusuf. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome, keep smiling. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.